Viewers and subscribers, you're welcome back on this platform, BVI Channel 1, where truth is the gospel we preach. And on top good governance ministry, the anointing, the unction flowing from this platform had hit Edo State people. And today, they are beginning to speak in tongues. They have woken up and they are taking their land back. I want you to listen and watch this video. I'll be right back.
But when I say I must come around, me I can't comment you now. Waiting to do so that with the citizens of the Federal Republic of Nigeria supposed to do now I do so. It is said that nobody will give you your right. You will take that right by your. You will take it by your. Now we are not submitting about ourselves. Today na the number 5 day when I don't the streets. Anybody don't die? No. They call the commissioner for works.
What the following place please are they from?
Even though he can say this road na federal road, not be state road. We ask them who be federal. Did they say anybody be federal? No. All of us now state we dey. And we dey local government. If the states fit do them, may they go drop bet for federal. We don't know federal. As far as I'm concerned, now state will be. If you reduce us small, will be local government. But this not be what local government go fit do. The same people wait us say na federal road, because one of them get filling station along this supply road up there. So if the same people wey say here na federal, they not do here, how manage that upper part of a supply road come be state? When I say na disrespect for citizens they get.
Yes, sir.
I tell you, my people, I'm happy what you have done. The video when don't go out, I have also sent it to the PA to the Minister for Works, because the Minister for Works not get Android phone. Nah, torchlight. It is deliberate. It deliberate. As long as they say we not going to enjoy this country, even if not only these 5 days when I don't do and reach, I am happy for the impact. Before me I reach here now, I suffer away for road. So we will get there, madam. We will get there. I struggle to reach it. I mean, if you see where this hold up long reach for this side, maybe that's so long go that side. That is how it should be. That is how she what? Be. If the next point now here we don't start. By the time we that committee is almost some other area. Come, let me tell you what we'll do. We will listen, we will get to the point. Yes. We go leave this road, we will go block airport. Yes. Because they feel the flight plane. Yes. They know they see the need. I am calling on all citizens. When they feel the pain of the bad governance, we will soon leave blocking the road and we'll go and block airports. As long as they feel they go airport, they fly. They feel not get the need to listen to us. By the time we go and block the airports, they're not going to feel enter. They're not going to come out.
And the airport will also be.
Make they bring all the army and all the police. If they shoot tear gas, it's not going to let pepper us. It go pepper people in the airport too. Have you not been so? If they shoot any of us like they go shoot people for Lekki for Lagos. I am a lele, I am a lele, I am a lele, I am a lele, I am oh yeah, I am a lele, I am a lele, I am a lele, I am a lele, I am a Isoleto. Africa. Let me tell you, this country belongs to all of us. I cannot see the reason why our own governments, if they don't fit do all that, it's made a still manage to this road. This road, according to the man I spoke, I saw yesterday, now lead to the whole South states, now lead to many eastern states. People, they move from that side, they go east, they go past here. When they go north, go past here. When they go west, go past here.
Anywhere.
And this road has been like this for years.
Yes, sir.
And government thinks that there's no need to attend to it. I must appreciate all of you. You have shown courage, but we need to do more. Every other major activity for this area not work because of this struggle. Those who know who we know governor, we call governor.
Yes.
Those who know who we know senator, we call senator. Those who know who we know House of Rep member, we call House of Rep member. I had an accident because the road was bad. Now the bad road caused my accident. The trailer was carrying fuel. Try to avoid bad spot. Now it's scatter me and my motor one side. I break my two arms and my two legs. And now only this one don't well finish. If you see this one not the straight. This one, now iron full the leg. Iron did this one, iron did this one. Only this one iron not day. I've been down 1 year and 6 months. Jesus. But can I tell you something?
You are still alive.
Thank God that I'm alive.
Very important.
And thank God I'm witnessing what I'm saying. Yes. So when I'm talking from experience. I have spent millions. That's why I'm alive. People who don't finish such money would have been dead.
Yeah. Yes.
Many are dead.
By now, yes.
Plenty are dead. So how many of us can raise such millions to survive themselves? So should Nigerians just be dying?
No.
And we have our leaders whose children are schooling abroad.
Yes.
They enjoy the best roads abroad.
Yes.
They enjoy the best lights abroad.
Yes.
They enjoy the best water abroad.
Yes.
They enjoy gas abroad.
Yes.
They enjoy everything beautifully in a society that is already working. But now here that they thief the money, say they get their children go to spend on there.
Yes.
When I hear the amount, when they say Alice this journey, they see for jewelries, $40 million.
That is 7.something billion naira.
40 million only jewelries or necklace and earring.
And Brazil.
No Brazil no jewelry one no.
Okay, now on a
only jewelry so the Brazil on the one side though. Only Brazil is over 10 million naira. Yes. Brazil when they take whole breast, when they wear shirt on top.
Yes.
Inner wear.
Her shoes are worth over 17 billion naira. And she was in this country with us. She was minister for petroleum. And we are in the Niger Delta state. So the money we have to do somebody don't go buy Brazil. In case you don't know, I must tell you.
One voice, please.
That if we slow down on this fight, I can assure you that in the next, in fact, your grandchildren will come and join to do the same protest. We're not saying who they verse, we're not saying who they laugh. We're not saying who die, we're not saying who they are alive. We're not saying who they go, we're not saying who they come. All that matters is that the system must work. All that matters is what? I didn't hear you. The system must work. We will not beg the system to work. No. We will force the system to work. We will do what?
Force the system to work.
This is what we are doing.
Yes.
That's the only way we can make progress. Yes. That is the only way. Thank you.
When I hear them, that man, he they do as I they do. The anointing had hit Aedo people and they have woken up. And I want to make a show on the result immediately because this one, the deliverance, now you they see them. The signs and wonders. The governor had been forced out to come and address the crowd and also join in the protest. Oh yeah, we're gonna watch.
Say una dey protest because of this federal road. Yes, sir. This morning, I call the controller of works. Are you here? You have seen this problem. What did you tell me? You say you don't have any discharge points. What discharge point do we need to rehabilitate this stretch? What discharge point do we need? This is a major federal. This is a major federal trunk road. I accept that the rains have been falling, but it's almost 1 week now that the rain stopped falling. What have you people done?
Nothing.
I hope you are not playing politics with federal roads.
No.
I hope you are not playing politics with federal roads.
No.
You have who are the contractors you gave them to? They don't have name. Who are they?
The names, sir.
to you. With that federal government, we will survive. Tomorrow, I will bring my contractors here. Just promise me one thing. Open up the roads. I will bring the contractors. You and your youth leaders, you will protect them. Let them rehabilitate this stretch from bypass. They will start work tomorrow. I want peace, that's all. Give me peace, I will give you development. Great youth! Don't worry, I will do it for you.
When I see him, you see, when you don't speak out, this impunity will continue to strive. That is what you must understand. Nigerian people understand this fact. When you keep quiet, things go wrong. This never do well political class will continue taking you for a ride. If this old woman, if they don't do their face somehow, these people, they not go leave them alone. I they tell you, it's unfortunate that my own people, especially from Abia State, are still sleeping and snoring in their suffering. Yes. I've called on Abia State people to rise, to wake up. Rise and wake up. For you to close market for complete 3, 4, 5 days or even 1 week. Block everywhere. Put everything to a standstill until you force that your governor on na development to come out, not just to address this issue, but to start fixing them. If you don't do that, you go continue to suffer. How many years now? From Oju Zokalo to Nkewanapon Theodoji, and now Nkepazu. This will be the last stand. My people in Abia State, wake up. If you people say, make I come Abia State, organize yourself. Get ready to close your market, close your schools. Don't even go to work. Everybody come outside. Because in Abia State is just becoming something else. Because just recently when I published the video highlighting some areas in the southeast where you can see visible stuff, I seem to say now people get leave this place. Some people were asking me, why didn't I show anywhere in Abia State? I tell them, say, make una get me the place where their road good or something worth seeing in terms of development so that it will be included. Abia State in our last. Is it because you are governor? You have to wake up. Especially Aba is the pride of Igbo land, if you don't know that. Is the pride of Igbo land. It's a shame. It's a shame to have somebody coming from Abia State producing one of the best brains in Igbo land, one of the heroes in Igbo land. But Emayopara and the rest of them, including Nnamdi Kanu of today. And yet, Abia State is in a state of hopelessness. It's in a state of, I can't define. Those of you living in Abia State, how do you even cope? Especially Aba. You all have to wake up. Ife Jimala Aba. Ife Jimala Aba. Enyimba. Enyi Ife Jimala Uno. Bring it out. Except you like your suffering, then you can continue. Good Governance Ministry is here. We can only be a voice. Rise up. Just like India have risen up. I and Anambra State have risen up. We are spreading far and wide. You have to wake up. Oh. Nobody go do one for you. Oh. Now you go do one for yourself. Now you go deliver yourself. It is high time Abia State people wake up and do the needful. And that is just the message. You've seen Edo people. And also my people in Anambra State, across around that axis, Amasi, get radio, because the governor must speak out and also must work. He had done some kind of little what do you call it, rehabilitation, just for let that place to be passable. When I made a video of that place some time ago. This is no time for you to just keep quiet, fold your hands, and if you keep quiet, things will continue to go wrong. Things will continue to spoil. You have to speak out. You have to stand out. And that is the message for not just my people in the Igbo, but the whole Nigerians. If you keep quiet, the impunity will strive and you will continue to suffer. And that is what Good Governance Ministry is bringing to you. It's offering everyone an opportunity for their freedom. You have to take it because nobody's going to give it to you. I'm signing out. I'm just a voice. I've delivered the message. Share it. Drop your comment. Let's have your opinion. Don't forget to subscribe to stay informed or you'll be deformed. I'm Asus Chinet Peters. Stay safe.